Using Vedic maths, we can perform subtractions faster than a calculator without the need for borrowing. Let us explain this method clearly, step by step. Firstly, you should know about complements. What are complements? The complement of a number is a way to represent its difference from a reference number. In simple terms, it's something that fills up or completes. In the base 10 number system, we represent all numbers from 0 to 9, and the reference number is 10. So, the complement of 9 is 10 minus 9 equals 1. The complement of 8 is 10 minus 8 equals 2. The complement of 7 is 10 minus 7 equals 3. The complement of 6 is 10 minus 6 equals 4. The complement of 5 is 10 minus 5 equals 5. The complement of 4 is 10 minus 4 equals 6. The complement of 3 is 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. The complement of 2 is 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. The complement of 1 is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Secondly, you must be aware of natural subtractions. Natural subtractions involve single-digit minus single-digit operations. In subtraction, we find the match combination of subtraction and mismatch combination of subtraction. If the subtraction is practically possible, it is a match number, and if it is not possible, then it is a mismatch number. For example, 6 minus 3 is a match combination, where we subtract a smaller number from a larger one. On the other hand, 4 minus 7 is a mismatch combination, where we can't subtract a larger number from a smaller one. Understanding match and mismatch combinations is crucial for efficient subtraction. These three basics are essential for subtraction. To understand the concept of everything in Vedic maths, it's important to follow in order. Follow in order to understand easily and gain more knowledge. Let us check some examples of match combination subtraction. These are all natural subtractions that we can subtract easily. However, there are cases of mismatch combinations, examples like 33 minus 7. We immediately adjust the top number. So in this case, we cut 3 from number 33 and write it 2. Because of next pair indicates a mismatch numbers. Now we find the complement of the bottom number 7, which is 3, and add it to the top number. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Thus the answer is 26. Let us take another example of 54 minus 8. We write 5 and adjust it to 4. Because of next pair indicates a mismatch combination, then we add the complement of 8, which is 2, to the top number 4, then answer is 46. In a similar way, for 72 and minus 5, we write 7 and adjust it to 6 due to the mismatch combination. Then we add the complement of 5, which is 5, to the top number, yielding 67. In the example of 74 minus 28, again, directly we write 4 because of next pair is mismatch combination. Then we add the complement of 8, which is 2, to the top number 4, then answer is 46. In a similar, for 92 minus 35, we write 5 due to next pair is the mismatch combination. Then, we add the complement of 5, which is 5, to the top number 2, which becomes 7. Final result is 57. Please follow some examples for better understanding.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to support more content like this.